Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about division. So let me first duplicate this line of code and comment this. So now what will we do? Apple multiplied by, so we will change the sign to division, and this is the forward slash which is used for the division. Okay, so $apple divided by banana is equal to $apple, and instead of multiplication we will use the division, which will give us the division result. So let's do that. Now you can see 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. Okay, so let me copy it, or let's change the values. So for example 10, and let's check the result. Okay, so you can see 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So I hope you got that, and that's it for this video. Now see you in the next lecture.